tip, which is basically saying time frame continuity is going to save you. It's going to make you produce better outcomes with every trade you have, and it's going to give you those better rewards in those situations that you need to be rewarded in. Promise you. But anyways, let's get to it. Look at from the 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart. I'm not gonna lie, this is a trade I took, and this is what messed me up. I jumped in right here. I'm thinking this bar right here, this is gonna be the start of a nice uptrend. Like, look at it. We chopping over here. But once we got that bounce, boom, we got that bounce. Then we got that nice volume. I'm like, all right, this is the start. Boom, we slowly laddering up. I seen this doji right here. I'm like, oh my God, I already knew what time it was. Place to stop, pull back. I didn't think it was a pullback. I thought it was a reversal. I'm thinking this is our double top. But I didn't know this was our bottom. I'm just thinking this is going to be a small double top. We're going to push back, and that's it. Coinbase been playing games with me all year. Now it finally want to do some amazing things. But anyways, time frame is what we worried about. Oh yeah, so long story short, into the trade, stomped out, I lost. Anyways, it was a good 2,000% runner. Like, if I was focused up and I wasn't focused on IWM and other things, it'd been easy. But if you look at it from the 5 minute chart, you're like, okay, imagine if I jumped in here, then I would know. I'm gonna set my stop at least a little bit lower than this wick. Like, you don't want to be at the same exact wick. If I was jumping at the 5 minute, I obviously would have my wick. I would say below the lowest red volume bar, just so I know. Like, if it breaks that, then the volume is not strong enough, and it didn't break that. You feel me? This is the 5 minute chart. Now look at the 15 minute chart. I would have never stomped out. 30 minute chart. I would have never stomped out. 1 hour. Would have never stomped out. Anyways, 2 minute. Let's even check the 2 minute. I don't think. No, I probably would have still stomped out. So yeah, maybe the 5 minute. So long story short, this is how you should be trading. 1 minute will give you some type of idea of where the stock's going. 5 minute will give you more confirmation to enter and exit trades. The 15 minute will show you some true direction on where everything's going. And the 1 hour, we can go to 4 charts. And the 1 hour is going to give you the true direction. We're going up. 1 hour. We didn't really know exactly where we wanted to go, but we knew we wouldn't go too far down, but we tried to go up. All right. Next hour again. We know we're not going anywhere further down. We bounced off with some 9 EMA. Yeah, we bounced off the 9 EMA. Then we're going straight up. This is like hourly bar, so you can see the direction in the hourly. But if you break it down into 15 minutes, you can jump into those situations. If you break it down to the 5 minute, you can jump into these situations. But me, I messed up, not gonna lie. I was focused on the 1 minute chart. And I got bad blood with Coinbase. Me and him, me and her, me and Shim, we got a feud going on. Like, it's crazy, bro. I promise you. But anyways, that's just like a small recap letting you know, like, yo, if you put all these things together, have your charts lined up, you focused on a 15 minute, you got the 5 minute at the left side of your eye, but you got the 1 minute, you scoping the 1 minute, making sure you see, all right, key levels are being broken, key levels are not being passed, key levels are actually making moves around here, then you can precisely have better entries. But if you just sticking to one big chart, then you can get caught up in all this noise. All this is noise on a 5 minute chart. All this is noise. All this on a 1 minute, straight noise. Like, why is it going up and down? But if we go to the 15, 1 hour, how much downward pressure do you see in this chart? I see nothing but straight upward momentum. Literally upward momentum. It's beautiful. But when you go to the 1 minute, it's like you get a little confused. So long story short, make sure you got time frame continuity on the top of your head when you're trading, because the smaller time frames will create a lot of noise. But when you look at things from a bigger perspective, the larger perspective gets way clearer. Promise you. But anyways, we live trading 9/9/30. Link is in the description. Hop in that Discord. Anyways, I'm out.